Hi everybody, welcome to the CalU Weather Center. I'm Dewey Sleet, and today we're going to learn about the 4 seasons. So, to start off with, we have to ask ourselves, why do we have seasons at all? Well, as you can see by our model of the Earth here, the Earth has a North Pole at the top and a South Pole at the bottom. But in space, Earth is not situated perfectly up and down like this shows. Instead, it's tilted just a little bit, like this. So, as the Earth makes a revolution around the Sun every year, different parts of the Earth will be closer and farther away from the Sun. Those parts that are closer will get warmer, and those parts that are farther away will get colder. So in half the year, this part at the top may be closer, so it will be warmer. But during that same part of the year, this part down here is going to be farther away and colder. And the opposite will happen during the other half of the year. So, why do we have seasons? It all has to do with the Earth's tilt and its revolution around the Sun, causing different parts of the Earth to be closer and farther away from the Sun in different parts of the year, causing them to warm up and cool down throughout the year, giving us the seasons. So now that we know why we have the seasons, let's take a look at our first season, which is fall. Fall happens during the months of September, October, and November. During these months, the days are going to start getting colder and shorter, and we have to look out for rain, snow, and in some areas, the possibility of hurricanes. But we also get to look forward to Halloween and Thanksgiving. So now that we're through with fall, what's the next season we're going to look into? To be ready for that one, I may need to get changed a little bit. I need to put my scarf on, because the next season we're looking at is winter. Winter happens during the months of December, January, and February. This is whenever we see the coldest and shortest days of the year. We also have to be worried about snow and the possibility of blizzards. But we get to have fun with Christmas and ringing in the new year. Well, now that winter is over, what's the next season? To be ready for that one, we may need to get out our umbrellas, because it's time for spring. Spring happens during the months of March, April, and May. This is when the days start getting warmer and longer, but we have to look out for thunderstorms, and this is when the most tornadoes happen during the year. But we also get to celebrate Easter. So now we're on to our last season, and to be ready for that one, I'm going to have to put on my sunglasses, because it's time for summer. Summer happens during the months of June, July, and August. This is whenever we see the hottest and the longest days of the year. But we have to look out for rain, the possibility of drought, and hurricanes will start cranking up during this time of the year. But don't worry, you also can have some fun, because this is the time of the year to go on vacation. Well, those are the 4 seasons. I hope you guys had a lot of fun and learned a lot. I'm Dewey Sleet. Bye!